Well, guys, I wasn't going to vlog because I was going to go back home to sleep. But yeah, it's currently 2:30 p.m. and my flight was supposed to be at 2:10, but something happened. I didn't check my email, and I guess supposedly they changed my flight to 11:54 a.m. today. But it's weird because I bought my plane ticket around Thanksgiving, and I bought my plane ticket for 2:10, so I assumed is at 2:10. I'm just rambling, but it's a learning process because it's my first time flying by myself. Gotta get used to this stuff. I gotta get the app, you know. But yeah, I got the whole day to myself. I'm leaving. I'm leaving at 1:54 in the morning. So tomorrow morning, a.m. So I got the whole day, just do whatever with the family, and let's see how that goes. So stay tuned, and hope you guys have a great day. Dude, my hands are freezing, but check out this.
Jacob, right here.
What's up?
You can take a good picture right here of that one.
Look at this reflection. You see the reflection? Damn, we're supposed to go on this bridge earlier, but we passed it, and now my hands are freezing. But man, like right here, amazing scenery around us. Where to next, Uncle Ryan?
We're going to Arctic Valley.
Arctic Valley is next. So,
Arctic
guys, I'll check you guys. I'll see you guys over there. I'm sorry I can't think right now. I'm cold right now in my hands. Super cold. So